Question 2, we're being asked to use the binomial expansion to do 1 plus 4x to the power of a half. We're going up to the first three terms. So the first term is going to be 1, and the second term is n times by ax. The third term is n times n take away 1 over 2 times ax squared. And so tidying this up, we can see we've got 4 times a half. I've got 2 x's here. There's a minus here. And here I've got 16 divided by 3 lots of 2 there. 2 cubed there. And so 16 divided by 8. I've got another 2 there. And then it would continue, but we're not asked to continue it at all. What we are asked to do is 1.008 square rooted. And of course 1.008 square rooted is the same as 1.008 to the half. And notice that that's going to be the same as 1 plus 4x to the half. So I'm noticing that this and this are the same. So 4x is going to be 0.008, and that means x is going to be 0.002. I'm going to put this number in here. I've got 1 plus 2 lots of 0.002 minus 2 lots of 0.002 squared. And when I work that out, I get 1.00399. And so to 3 decimal places, I've got 1.004. The interesting thing with that is if you tap that into the calculator, we do get 1.004, but you can't always rely on that. They would test that out. So the last part is the usual when is it valid question. It says, can you put a half in here and get the square root of 3? And you might think that actually putting in a half in there, well, 4 times a half is 2. 2 plus 1 does indeed make 3 to the power of a half. But you always have to think about when is this valid. This thing is valid when 4x, or the modulus of 4x, is less than 1. That means the modulus of x is less than a quarter. This expansion here is only true if x is this small value here. Since x equals a half is bigger than a quarter, it's not valid.